Are you suffering from a burning fire in your feet, sharp pins and needles, or total numbness in your toes? This pain is terrifying. You might feel like you are walking on broken glass, or that your legs are heavy and weak. It ruins your life. These are not just random aches. They are the screaming signs that your nerves are literally dying inside you. Your system is failing. This damage is caused by a toxic overflow of sugar that is slowly rusting your nerves and blood vessels. It is sugar rot. Imagine one simple, fat-soluble vitamin that acts as a powerful shield, completely blocking this sugar damage. It is a miracle worker. This nutrient is the sugar antidote capable of stopping the toxic chemical reactions that destroy your nervous system. It saves your nerves. This secret pill penetrates deep into your nerve cells, repairing the protective coating and stopping the pain. It heals the root. Studies confirm this specific form of vitamin B is the most powerful natural treatment for diabetic neuropathy in the world. The science is undeniable. This is the ultimate, non-drug, secret to restoring feeling in your feet, clearing brain fog, and protecting your eyes. It works fast. We'll expose the huge difference between the cheap, useless form of this vitamin and the fat-soluble form you must buy. Get the right one. If you ignore this deficiency, you risk permanent nerve, death, amputation, and severe cognitive decline. The risk is massive. We'll reveal the exact therapeutic dosage and the simple dietary mistake that drains this vitamin from your body daily. Stop the drain. Don't skip the final warning about the specific timing for taking this pill to ensure maximum absorption. Do it right. Do it right. Stay tuned to master the ultimate secret to reversing neuropathy and stopping the damage of high blood sugar. Your healing starts now. The incredible nutrient we are revealing today, the one that acts as the ultimate shield against sugar damage, is Benfotiamine. Is a unique, fat-soluble version of vitamin B1, also known as Th. To understand why you need it, you must understand the disaster happening inside your body called high sugar toxicity. When you eat too many carbohydrates or sugars, your cells get flooded with glucose. Your body needs vitamin B1 to process this sugar and turn it into energy. However, high sugar intake burns through your B1 stores rapidly, leaving you with a severe, dangerous deficiency. Without enough B1, the excess sugar cannot be processed. Instead, it turns into toxic byproducts that destroy your cells. This toxic buildup creates advanced glycation end products, or AGE. Think of this as internal rusting or caramelizing of your tissue. This rust attacks the tiny blood vessels that feed your nerves, causing them to wither and die. This is exactly why diabetics develop neuropathy, blindness, and kidney failure. It is simply unmanaged sugar toxicity caused by a B1 deficiency. Standard vitamin B1 thiamine is water-soluble, meaning it cannot easily penetrate the fatty membranes of your nerve cells. This is where benfotiamine changes everything. Because benfotiamine is fat-soluble, it can pass directly through cell membranes, increasing B1 levels in your nerves by up to 3,600%. Once inside the cell, it activates an enzyme called This enzyme acts like a garbage disposal, clearing out the toxic sugar byproducts before they can kill the nerve. By clearing the toxicity, benfotiamine allows the nerve sheath myelin to repair itself, stopping the burning and restoring normal sensation. Studies have shown that high-dose benfotiamine significantly reduces the pain and suffering of diabetic neuropathy within just a few weeks. But the benefits go far beyond just your feet. Your brain is a massive consumer of sugar and energy, making it extremely vulnerable to B1 deficiency. A lack of B1 in the brain leads to type 3 diabetes, Alzheimer's, severe brain fog, and memory loss. By supplementing with benfotiamine, you protect your brain from sugar damage, improving mental clarity and focus. It is also known as the morale vitamin because it directly improves mood and combats anxiety. B1 is essential for the production of acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter required for focus and calmness. If you feel constantly irritable, agitated, or mentally fatigued, you are likely suffering from a sugar-induced B1 crash. Your heart is another organ that demands constant energy and relies heavily on benfotiamine improves the pumping strength of the heart and prevents the stiffening of arteries caused by sugar. This makes it a powerful tool for preventing heart failure and maintaining flexible, healthy blood vessels. Now, let's talk about the dosage, because standard multivitamins do not contain enough. To reverse nerve damage, you need a therapeutic dose of typically between 300 mg to 600 mg per day. Compare this to the 1 or 2 mg found in a standard B, and you see why regular vitamins don't work for neuropathy. Always look for benfotiamine specifically on the label. Standard thiamine HCl or mononitrate will not get the job done for nerve repair. You should also take a standard B complex alongside it. B vitamins work in a team, and taking a high dose of one can sometimes lower the others. The best time to take benfotiamine is with a meal, preferably breakfast or lunch. Since it is fat-soluble, taking it with food that contains some healthy fat like eggs or avocado will ensure maximum absorption. Let's address the anti-nutrients that are stealing your B1. Alcohol is the #1 enemy of it blocks absorption and depletes your liver stores instantly. This is why alcoholics often develop severe nerve damage and wet brain dementia. Coffee and tea also contain tannins, which can block thiamine absorption if consumed in massive quantities. And, of course, refined carbohydrates, bread, pasta, sweets act as negative calories, demanding B1 for digestion while providing none in return. To get the best results from benfotiamine, you must reduce your intake of refined sugars and alcohol. This stops the constant drain on your B1 bank account, allowing the supplement to actually repair the damage. The safety profile of benfotiamine is excellent. It is very well tolerated, and because your body converts it to active B1 only as needed, toxicity is extremely rare. However, if you have active cancer, consult your oncologist. As some theories suggest, B1 helps all rapidly dividing cells. For the vast majority of people suffering from high blood sugar complications, this vitamin is a lifeline. It is the only thing that addresses the biochemical root cause of the damage, rather than just masking the pain with drugs. This affordable fat-soluble vitamin is your ultimate secret to putting out the fire in your nerves and protecting your organs from sugar. We've covered the sugar toxicity, the fat-soluble advantage, the nerve repair, and the vital dosage rules. This is the crucial supplement that allows you to fight back against the modern sugar epidemic. We have now armed you with the exact knowledge to safely leverage this nerve-saving sugar antidote. Now, tell us in the comments below. Are you suffering from burning feet? And have you ever heard of benfotiamine before? We want to hear your story. If this video revealed the simple cure for someone struggling with diabetic pain or brain fog, please share it immediately with them. You could be giving them a new life. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. Don't miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 surprising foods that are secretly causing your hair loss and aging. Thank you for prioritizing your health, protect your nerves, and clear your mind. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.